In this video, I will show you the basics of brick stitch and explain the principle behind the stitch itself. If you want to learn how to create the foundation row, I have a separate tutorial for that. You can find the link up here. For now, I already have 3 rows completed. The general rule is that at the beginning of each row, you add 2 beads instead of 1. Why? Because if you only add 1 bead, you will see the thread on the edge. And we definitely don't want that. The principle of brick stitch is simple. Pass the needle under the thread bridge. Then bring it back up through the bead you just added. To secure the connection, to reinforce it, go back down through the bead. And then up through it again. The thread should always exit upwards from the last bead you added. For the next step, you only pick up 1 bead. This time, you don't pass the needle through any previous beads, just go under the thread bridge. Then bring the needle up through the bead you just added and pull tight. And that's it. You continue this way, under the thread bridge, up through the bead and pull tight. Here's how you finish if you want to do a decrease. But if you'd like to add another bead at the end, here's what I like to do. Some people go under the same thread bridge, but I prefer passing the needle through the last bead of the previous row. I find this creates a cleaner connection and the bead sits closer together. After that, pass the needle diagonally through the beads into the third to last bead of the row. Then go back through the second to last bead. And finally through the last bead, returning to the starting position to add the next row. And that's the principle of brick stitch. If you are interested in more tutorials for this stitch, you will find them on my channel. Thanks for watching until the end, and I will see you next time. Bye!